Hello friends, good morning. Grabe ang lakas ng hangin. Oh my gosh. It's snowy day and windy day today, American friends. Oh my god, look at that. I hope my car is okay over there. My car is there at the back. Oh my gosh. Look at my cam. That is my persimmon. A while ago, friends, American friends, aray ko. There are lots of birds over there. Oh my gosh. It's so big. Ay. Nyawiya! Ilwa, ilwa. My cat is there, oh. Nyawi! Ilwa. Ay, baby cat man to. My cat is there, oh, coming. Siya ba yan? I have lots of cats over here, American friends. Look at that, oh. I keep the cat food and my cat is wet. My cat. Friends, look at the weather, American friends. The weather is not good today. I supposed to go to city, but I'm scared because of that. Oh, look at the snow. The snow is not good. It's friends, you cannot see outside over there because you can see only the what is that? Farmhouse and the bodega of my biyanan. American friends. What is bodega in English? It's hard naman. Uy. I have lots of American friends kasi they are watching my videos. That is why I want to speak English. I mean, I'm just practicing, friends, because I have a mission to the Almighty, the Heavenly Almighty God in heaven. And I need to speak English because I have lots of followers over there. Yeah, my brothers and sisters, they are listening my videos, and I know they're waiting my videos. Yeah, wait for me, huh? I'll just waiting for God to give me a strength. Tama ba ang English ko, friends? English is good, but we need cash. Friends, this is South Korea today. It's raining and it's snowing. Rain and snow. Yeah. Did you see that, friends? Oh, door. That is the house of our shoes. Friends, you cannot see because there is a tapal over here. There is a tapal for the winter because it's cold. Did you see my cat? My cat is eating now. I give cat the food, the very delicious food, my food. Yeah, chicken soup and chicken. We have lots of pansan, friends. Ulam. Oh my gosh. My son didn't eat the fried chicken and yum chicken. Yeah, I don't know. I bought past tense to, I bought a kalbitang. Oh my gosh. And my son didn't eat the chicken, fried chicken. I have miuntang, I have everything. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Hangguk saram, hangguk cingkedul. Sigong nalsi isang hikiji. I nanon wunju kaya din hindi utuki ka. Look at that. My persimmon is dancing. You know, friends, my persimmon is covered by something. My husband do that, because it's winter and it's very cold, and I think he's scared my will die. I have lots of persimmon, friends. Yeah, my husband balot that in something So, yeah, it's alive. And my cat is here. Oh, my cat is still alive in the winter. Friends, I have lots of cats. I think 5 or 6 or 10. Actually, they are street cat. Street cat. I feed them. And a while ago, American friends, there are lots of birds over there. Oh, very big. Oh, I'm so happy. My husband also is very happy. We're watching the bird eating the dog food. That's so funny. Yes, friends, I am practicing how to speak English because I want to make lots of videos for you. Very soon, ha? Very soon. I want to kugyong-kugyong over there, oh. Hanggok saram. Look at the mountain over there, oh. Lots of snow. Today is Saturday. Saturday. Oh, 10. January 10, 2026. Oh my gosh. Bye-bye, Lilibet South Korea. Salot. Stay again, Mara. Parang I love you.